Hey everyone, this is Ankush and welcome to my YouTube channel. Okay, so now just I have released a new video like how to solve the challenging question using a Tableau, the same data sets. The question was like you need to find out the new customers count and the repeat customer counts and, and what is the date according to that. So you can check it out the solution for the using Tableau. But if you would like to see like how can we use how can we solve this by using SQL. Now you can watch this. We are going to solve this using SQL. Okay. So like we have the same tables and same scenario. Scenario is that you need to find out the new customers count and the repeat customers count using the same data sets. Okay. So we have the very simple data, like we have the 9 records. We have order ID, customer ID, order date, and the order amounts. And you need to find out the count of the repeat customer, and you need to find out the count of the new customer. That's it. And what is the date according to uh, that customer? So let's see how can we solve this using the SQL. So first, I'm saying select from the my order table, and I want first I want the customer ID, and I want the minimum of order date, which is the first order date, and I'm going to the make it a alias, which is the first visit date. And since this is the aggregation, so I need to wrap it by the group by customer ID. Let it be that. Okay. So now you can see we have the first order date for the each customer. Okay. So now I need to wrap this with CT. CT is a nothing is a common table expression. Okay. This is the virtual table. So I'm saying with first visit as and I'm saying select from order date, which is this, and I'm going to give this alias. Alias will be pseudo. Okay. So and it should be the inner join, and I'm going to join by this my virtual table, which is the CT first visit date. So first visit, I'm also like taking the alias should be the FV and on CO dot customer ID FV dot it should be the customer ID. Okay, and select I want CO. I want everything from the order date and FV dot first visit date. Okay. So, uh, we want everything from the order date and we want the first visit date as well as. Okay. So let me run this. So we should get the result. Okay. So now you can see we got the output, not the expected output. We need to drive four more columns. Okay. So let's say uh, let it be order by. order ID. By default, it's ascending. I want the ascending as well as. So let's say this is my the first order date was received and amount was 2000. So this is my first order date. Okay. So 200 is also first, 300 is also first. But if you see here, not here, if you see here, the order is changing, the date is changing. Okay. So I'll make it more other flag here, then you can understand better way. So let's say group by so I'm saying case uh, uh, when case when I'm using always use alias co dot order date co dot order date equal to fv dot first visit date then one else 0 and as this is going to my first visit flag. Okay. So we are able to the first visit flag. So I was saying, so I was trying to explain that. So whenever we are the same dates, so we can get the ones, but we are seeing the different dates, we are getting the zero. Zero means this is the repeat customers. And so the repeat customer, we need to find out the repeat customer as well as. So just copy that, the first case statement and go to this should be the not equal to and query will be same. Just make sure you need to change the alias. So this is going to repeat visit flag. Now you can see, just remove this and we should get the two flag. This is my the first flag. This is going to be the second flag. Okay. So these are the repeat customers. So these are the repeat customer and these are the first customers. Okay. So like we create the table. So now the things are much easier for us. So we need to find out the number of new customers, number of repeat customers. So let's say we are saying I'm making another city, which is the visit date as so I'm saying here select from visit date and I want here I want uh, order date sum of the first flag. So I'm saying as new customer and again I'm saying sum of the repeat visit flag. This is going to my as repeat customer and this is good since we are using aggregated aggregation function group by order date. That's it. Here we go. So this is the final output they are exactly looking for. Okay. So these are my the outputs. These are my new customers. Okay. These are my the repeat customers. Okay. Based on the different dates. Okay. So like, so we have been seeing you like how to solve this by using SQL and how to solve this by like Tableau. So both the way, like you should know both the way, how can we solve? For to knowing the both the way, it's things it's very like easier for you to work with them. Okay, so that's it from this video. If you like this video, please make sure hit the subscribe button and thank you so much for your timing.